Now, Apollo has been around for a while. It's the big kid on the block when it comes to lead generation tools. It has got a lot of features and a huge community, which is great if you need help or want to learn from others. So, if you're ready to boost your email outreach results, Apollo IO boasts of a 40% increase in open rate and a 2 times improvement in response rate. So you can see for yourself with a free trial. The key benefits are mature and feature rich. It's been around for a while, so it's packed with features like caching, state management, and more. Get a huge community. That's right. Tons of developers use Apollo, so you find plenty of tutorials and support. Flexibility. It works with any lead generation tool and integrates well with popular front-end frameworks. So you also get full stack solution. It offers tools for both the client and the server side of your lead generation too. So this is really, really good. Now when it comes to pricing, it's okay, I guess. You can say it's okay, yes. But it can be expensive if your team is a small team. If it's a big team, then you're good to go. So the advantages is that you can get accurate contact information, helps you reach more prospects, automate your outreach effort, provide valuable data insight, and integrates with your CRM. But the cons, like we said, is that it can be expensive for small teams, and then the tracking accuracy kind of varies sometimes. Then the email deliverability kind of fluctuates, and it requires some training to master.